Janit Marasinha step in, beating a couple of players. The try line beckoning as Janit Marasinha scores.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
Welcome to the Papare as we bring you live action from the CRNFC grounds. It's St. Joseph's College playing host to DS Senanayake College. We see the DS Senanayake lineup. Lankesh, Praveen and Timat will be the front rows. Geetma, Demika will be in the second rows with Dushal, Yerat and Sanu, the third row for DS Senanayake. Tisat, Mindulka and Isuru will be in the front rows with Hamish Gamage and Sitanga Lianage in the second rows. Nathan Gunaratne kicking things off and well collected by the DS forwards as they now prepare for the box kick. However, illegally says the referee. Now Tisat takes it and goes. The quick tap. Now to the line they go. St. Joseph's College with a number on the outside. This is the first Amana Bank try coming in for St. Joseph's College.
To me, I saw him intercepting a try against Zaira. Beautifully executed. The kick doesn't come through.
As he puts in a high up and under.
You back. Knock back. Knock back.
Knocked back by the DS Senanayake College
Now.
players who came to collect the high ball. Now Lihara.
Sorry. Time off.
Well,
Okay.
not too happy with something
Captain, please.
is the referee
Captain.
as he's calling the
Okay.
captain, the
Number
skipper of DS
Number 10.
Senanayake College.
Number 10. Man, that guy look danger. Okay.
DS had the advantage. They had the possession of the ball and a Josephian on the ground.
Okay, back, please. Alright.
An unnecessary penalty by the DS
Time out.
Senanayake College players.
And if you get the 3 points on, DS had to score twice.
Malshan Devmin pulls it and it's unsuccessful rather. But is it emerging out from this ruck, from this mall rather, beg your pardon, it does. Janit Marasinha step in, beating a couple of players. The try line beckoning as Janit Marasinha scores the second Amana Bank try for St. Joseph's College. And now they take a 10-point advantage in the 16th minute of this game, SW.
No.
Good defense by the Josephians, but for how long will they be able to hold out is the question. Here goes the big man for DS. Lankesh, that is, still unable to get over. Lihara gives it out to his big forward as DS Senanayake scores their first Amana Bank try and they pay the price. Tatira Pereira makes no mistake off the tee. And DS Senanayake College are straight back in this game, SW. St. Joseph's fumbled from the restart and DS scored. Will the Josephians manage to repeat itself? But by the looks of it, no they don't. Bhishma from right in front makes no mistake as he adds 3 points earlier in the face. But now DS through their big center, taking it up into contact. Tackle made by the
Not roll away.
replacement for St. Joseph's, but a penalty conceded at the breakdown. He lines things up and he makes no mistake. Timat taking a couple of players to bring him down.
First hit. Go.
Digging deep for the turnover was a St. Joseph's College player, but the referee communicated straight away and told him not to. And unfortunately, Brian was impeded by the referee, but the try has been scored.
Made to make the 2 points.
No.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
The bounce of the ball goes the way of Rusiru for DS Senanayake College, and he clears his lines extremely well there. And with that, an opportunity goes big in for St. Joseph's College. But that's the half-time here, SW. St. Joseph's College, DS Senanayaka College, nothing to separate the two teams. 15 points apiece.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියමවිල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
The overcast conditions are coming in, and we will be hoping that the rain stays away as Tatira Pereira kicks off this second half, puts it deep. Nathan Gururatna collects and makes no mistake in putting boot to ball. Does not find the touchline.
Last boot.
Still unable to break through are the Josephians. DS Senanayaka College holding tight. Bhishma
No.
just short.
Down there. Play on.
St. Joseph's College, the number 5, wriggling his way over, and Sidanga scores the first Amana Bank try in this second half. Line out won by DS Senanayaka College as the maul sets up.
Advantage. No sender. Just back. Go back.
Here goes the visitors marching forward, and they go over for the third Amana Bank try. Somehow secures the line out, the high kick, returns it. Now the St. Joseph's College scrum half gets hit on the head. Danger.
Oh, one of their
Hit
good,
to it.
very good players.
පල්ලෙහා යන්න ඕන tackle එක. එයා බෝල් අරන් පල්ලෙහා එන්න ඕන. Okay. That's it. Yellow card. No.
Still short. Bhishma getting in the thick of the action.
Please.
Recycles the ball for the Josephian forwards. Here goes St. Joseph's College with the fourth Amana Bank try, and that is Satira with a 9-point cushion. The maul goes, and here's the fourth try for DS Senanayaka College. They score try themselves. And now Buddhita Rusiru. Change of kicker, but the result is the same. And recycle position for St. Joseph's College.
Advantage.
Going over at the breakdown, the visitors did not support their body weight.
Play on.
Alshan, in fact, Brian Fernando gets the offload, gets the hand fend, and he goes over for the fifth try. Ishma. Has he got the legs? By the looks of it, it has. St. Joseph's College. Well, that seems to be an unnecessary tackle there. Unsure who that is.
A good bit of advantage played by the ref there. He didn't blow for the knock-on straight away.
ඕගොල්ලන්ගේ
He waited, and St. Joseph got the knock-on advantage, but they cleared the lines. And as you said, that was not called for.
Uncalled for there by skipper Bhishma.
blue card. This
Senuj Giran.
yeah,
that
yellow
is.
card they can. Okay, then now blue card. Okay.
As he got
Ready?
himself injured too in the process of that tackle.
No. This is yellow card.
HIA and a yellow card being shown. Once says the referee. DS Senanayaka College will now have to either get this ball going forward. Well, they do. They secure the Amana Bank try. That's by Praveen, the hooker. By the looks of it, the conversion is over. This time around, he makes no mistake. The DS forwards wriggling their way forward, still continuing to make headway.
Last ball.
St. Joseph's defense holding on, but has the ball been placed?
Sorry.
By the looks of it, it has. Time has been switched off. The DS fans.
Sorry.
Robilo, and also
A try has been awarded and Avi Silva that he has won the match.
A try has been awarded.
Try score.
Timat Bogavatta is the try scorer. 5 tries for the home team, 6 tries for the visitors, 4 conversions against 2 and a solitary penalty.
ලොකු ඩිස්කවුන්ට් නැති දවටනේ නියම විල සඳහන් ස්විස් ටෙක්ටයිල් ඇඩසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා